Here's inside the laundromat. I wanted to show you before all the contractors show up today. We ended up getting our permits after about 3 months of going through the loops of engineering and architecture and going back and forth to the city. But we got those about a week and a half ago. This side's going to be an early head start for children ages 1 to 3. As you can see, the only HVAC ductwork they have left is the big fresh air vents that go behind the dryer bays. And this is the laundromat side. We just got our 2 heavy-duty gas hot water heaters delivered this morning. We really don't need those for about another week and a half, but the ductwork over here is a little bit more massive. This was a lot more rough shape. Yesterday we ended up plastering this entire wall right here. It's 60 feet long. And then once it's dried, we'll sand it down, prime it with paint, and then we'll paint it. Today we're gonna do this wall, which should take probably about 3 hours of prep and plastering. Here's all of our framing right in here. That's going to be our small dryers. They're called 30-pound dryers. We'll have 4 double stacks, so 8 total. Right in here is going to be the bathroom. The last couple days I ended up, we got the concrete cut, and then I dug up all the concrete out of there, the dirt. We got a future bathroom going on this side. And over in here is going to be our big bay of dryers. We'll have 3 75s, which means you can fit 75 pounds of clothes in each of them. We'll have some stacked 45s, some more stacked 30s. And this is our back room over here with all of our water utilities. We got some drywall up so that the electrician could put all his electrical on the wall. We're trying to do all electrical and plumbing out in the open, nothing concealed in the walls. I think the only spot we're going to have to conceal stuff in the walls is the bathroom, obviously, for the sink and toilet. Well, really just the sink. So we're going to have 2 gas water heaters. We're going to have a big storage tank, a water softener system, a massive pump. The reason why we're doing a 300-gallon storage tank and massive pumps is the water line coming into this building is only a 3/4 inch line, and obviously that's not big enough for the water demand of a laundromat, so we had it engineered for that 3/4 to dump into a 300-gallon storage tank with a float valve at the top, and then water is going to be coming out of the bottom of it in a bigger pipe, and then in that bigger pipe is going to be connected to our big pump, and that pump will pump it to everything in the laundromat. So it'll pump it to the water heaters and then throughout the building. And the cost to get around that, if we were to dig the street up and bring water to this building, it was going to be a minimum of $50,000. And then right in here, so starting way down over by that post and coming way over to here are going to be our washers. So we're going to have washers facing this way and washers facing that way. And that'll be probably about a little bit over a month from when the washers get delivered. We're going to do the all open ceiling. We're going to spray it black. We're gonna leave the ductwork how it is. And then we're gonna have two 2-inch copper lines that come out and then drop straight down right here. And that's gonna go into our what's called a bulkhead. The bulkhead has all the connections for all the washers, and we're gonna polish that pipe, that copper pipe, so it looks kind of industrial. But I'm gonna shut this camera off. We're gonna have some contractors getting in here soon. I'll take you guys outside and kind of show you around what we've been doing. This wall right here, plastering it took all day. I worked all day yesterday from about 7 in the morning till 10 p.m. digging out the rest of the concrete, painting the wall over there, mudding this drywall, finishing that, and plastering all of this wall. There's a lot of work. So anyways, guys, more to come. See ya.